Hi, this is Brian Fowler, and if you haven't seen the previous video, this is the third video in a series. And if you didn't see the previous video where I showed you this website, affiliate internet marketing, and how I start, from the startup to the point where it's now within just a few days, it has over 1,300 new registered um, subscribers. Let's see if we can get there. Okay, we've got 1,339 subscribers, and this is just within about a 3-day period. Let me show you my email here. You can see this is the February 12th. You can see almost all of my emails are for affiliate internet marketing new user registration, and it's just there's over 1,300 of them in about 3 days. So if you saw the last video, you know that I demonstrated, right where on the 12th, I believe it was, when I installed, or the 8th when I installed, or no, the 7th is when I installed the WordPress. Here we go, on the 7th, and then on the 8th is when I started getting new registrations to the website. And so that was just with a couple of articles, actually with 4 articles and nothing else on the site. And currently I added 3 more articles today. These articles are submitted through a free service called Unique Article Wizard. And I just published another one of these today, and then I added a couple videos. So I changed the background. I'm gonna stick with the same theme because it's the generic theme, but it allows me to change. I just created a header and changed the background. So other than that, it's the same as it was. The only ads I have on it are just the AdSense ads that I added yesterday. The first couple of days I had nothing on here except for 4 plain articles. It was just 4 plain articles, and now I've dressed it up a little bit so the appearance is a little bit better. But anyway, before I bore you to tears, if you missed the last video, I demonstrated how this website, with just a few hours invested, was able to literally dominate this niche, the affiliate business market. And I'm just going to go through it real quick again in case you haven't seen that video. EasyAffiliateBusiness.com. You can see I have the top 3 listings here with over 52 million search results in Google, but I've also got 2 videos at the bottom. So I've got 5 listings on page 1 Google with over 52 million search results. Affiliate business, a 2-word search term, 197 million results. Here I'm at the top of the page on that, page 1 Google. Best affiliate business, and again at the top with 52 million. Best affiliate marketing business, again at the top with 70 million. Best marketing business, number 1 with 210 million. If we make it plural, best marketing businesses. Well, I guess I was on the top of the businesses as well, but okay. Best marketing business training. There I am again, 101 million search results, and it just goes on and on. Affiliate business training, number 2, 52 million. 211 million for best marketing business. Affiliate business opportunities, number 2 out of 9 million. Best affiliate business to start, number 2 with 78 million. Now the reason I'm showing you this is this is just a few hours work. This is like about 5. I think I've got about an extra hour in it because I added some social marketing features on the site just in the last couple of days. So I think I've got another hour in it. So about 6 hours in the business, and I'm dominating all of these search terms. Best business opportunity, top of the page, 122 million results. Number 1 with over 1 billion search results. Best easy businesses, a billion search results, and I'm number one. Easy business opportunity, number two, 148 million. Easy money opportunity, number two with 45 million. Easy affiliate money, 138 million. Now, I'm about to demonstrate how to build one of these in just a few minutes. I've basically cloned this business and some of my other top businesses, and I'm actually going to do that. This website here is called Flippa. This is one of my favorite research tools, and you can see here these are some auctions that have just ended, and some of these websites sell for tens to $50 to $100,000. But right now you can see this one. This one's a PR3. It gets 13,000 visits a month and makes $300. Sold for $7,700. This one gets 2,800 visits. Sold for $2,000. This one's $11,000. It gets 10,000 visits a month. It doesn't make any money, but it gets organic traffic, and that's what makes these websites worth a lot of money. This one sold for $35,000 with only 3,500 visits. A lot of these websites, this $10,000, 2,000 visits, and I've got a 4-day-old website that's got half this many. It's got over 1,300 registered members. So, my site gets more traffic than a lot of these that sell for thousands and thousands of dollars. And so, you can see here I've got 1,336 subscribers on this affiliate internet marketing.com, and it's affiliate internet-marketing.com if you're not on the site. But anyway, I'm getting ready to put another video on this website, and you can by now you probably know that I'm about to promote a product, and that is this course that's going to show you how to build this. Now I've got a domain. I'm going to build a website that integrates social marketing. It's going to integrate a forum and also products all in one website. And so I've got a domain called Natural Healthcare Products, and I just set the name servers to a new hosting account. And so I'm going to go there right now to the new hosting account. I just got the name servers pointed to the account. In fact, this account, I just set this up the night before last, I believe. And so we're going to add on a domain here. And it'll just take a minute. So the new domain is Natural Healthcare products.com. Okay, and we're not going to have a subdomain. It's going to be in the root. So I'm going to pause this real quick because I'm getting ready to put a password in there, and I don't want to share it. And then as soon as I put my password in there, all I have to do is click Add Domain, and then it will be added to my other two domains that I have on this hosting account. So I'm going to pause this just for a second so I can put my password in, and then we're going to build a website real fast. And I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is with this new software that I just am getting ready to share. So I'll be right back. Okay, now I've got my naturalhealthcareproducts.com in there as a new domain. So now we're going to go back to the home of the hosting account. Now that normally I prefer to use HostGator hosting. This is a new hosting account that I just am testing because it has some video scripts and stuff that HostGator doesn't have, but these are new technology that there's still some bugs in it, and I've been struggling a little bit to get it to work right, but um, I try to have a few domains on different hosts so that I can link back and forth and not always be at the same domain. So this is just one of my additional accounts. And so right now, what we're going to do, now that I've got a domain, I need to set up an email account for that domain. It just takes a second. And let's go Brian at Natural Healthcare Products. And I'll do this in a little bit, but because I'm gonna have to put a password in there, and I don't want to share it. So I'm greedy that way. I don't want to share my usernames and passwords. Anyway, okay. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna go to Fantastico Deluxe, and we're gonna install WordPress. It's only gonna take a couple clicks. We just go to WordPress. We're gonna do a new installation. And I'm going to have to do a username and password. We're just going to pick our domain, and it's Natural Healthcare Products. And then I'm just going to have to put a username and a password in here, and then click Install, and that will be installed. I'll be right back. Okay, now that I've got that installed, now we can visit the site, and we should have. Okay, there we go. Natural Healthcare Products, just a generic WordPress. But what we're going to do now is go back to the control panel. We're going to install some software on our WordPress. And it's going to be just a couple clicks of a mouse. And what we're going to do is go to our file manager. Here we go. And we're going to go to our Natural Healthcare Products. And once we go in here, we'll be able to see our files on our these are all our WordPress files. So what we're going to do, we're going to upload some software from my browser, from my computer. So I'm going to go to, let's see, where I have the software stored. And it will be in my products business, and it's WordPress website. Okay, now there's three files here, and that I'm going to upload. There's the WP content, WP admin, and WP includes. I'm just going to go ahead and open that. You can see it's just going to start uploading. While that's uploading, I'm going to actually take you and show you exactly what it is that what I'm promoting here. It's a software package that it's a Easy Business Builder system that includes search engine optimized themes and software for running a multifaceted business. So you can basically build just about any kind of website you want with the software that's in this package. You can build a membership site. There's 3 different types of membership software from just the basic to advanced. There's affiliate software. There's shopping cart software. There is search engine optimization software, traffic generation software, all packaged into one package. And so when you get this package, you just download the package to your computer, and you can see that there's software pack 1, software pack 2, software pack 3, and then there's the training modules. But it's these 3 packages that you install on your WordPress. And then there's also traffic generation and other things, and we'll get back to that in a minute. But what we're going to do, cancel that, we're going to go ahead and upload some more of these files. Let's see, admin, and includes. Okay, so now that that'll just take a minute to upload, And so while we're doing that, I'm going to go ahead. I've got another domain that I just installed WordPress on. So I will go to that one, and because I've already uploaded a file, so I just need to go to this and unpack it. So once you've uploaded the file, it will look like, let's see, it will look like this. It'll look like a box. It'll be different than this. This means it's a zip file, and so all you have to do is click on that and then extract. Whoops, cancel that. And then extract it, and it will go ahead and it will install it into where it needs to go. It'll just automatically install it. So it just takes a few seconds to install. And there we go. And then we've got all the software on our website. So now we can open this up, and we can see that we've got all of these plugins just got installed within just a few seconds. So all of this software, all of these plugins would take you hours to research and install if you were to build it. If you were just to try to set up a WordPress website on your own. It would take hours. But with this system, it just takes a few minutes. So okay, right now I'm getting ready to try to find an image for a background for the website while this is uploading. Let's see, maybe a background image and a header image. The generic theme has some different headers that we can use, but I might want to go with something a little bit different. Let's see what kind of. We've got a lot of backgrounds that have subliminal messages embedded in them, and so we might want to go with something like that. Well, we might try to do that. Let's see. Okay, I'm in the Natural Healthcare Products dashboard, and you can see here that the search engines are blocked. We need to make sure that we change that. We want to make sure that the search engines can see us, so we'll just click on that real quick. And then we want to click on, I would like my site to be visible. Save the changes, and then that will disappear. Then we're going to go back to our appearance. It's taking a second. We'll go back to our appearance, and then we can go to background or header. It'll just take a few minutes to load the plugins and stuff. So we're just going to browse for an image. We're going to go, let's see, pictures. We'll just try this one first. Upload it. It's called Take Action Rain. Let's just see what that looks like on the background. And let's look at the headers. See what it looks like. We'll just pick one of their generic ones for now, and I'll create a header later with the free software called GIMP. looks like the video is running a little bit long. Let's look at this. Natural healthcare products. Okay, our background isn't showing up, but we got a different. There we go. There's our rain. Okay, so now we got a little bit of a unique look. Okay, let's look and see how our uploads are doing. Okay, we've got it 100% complete. Now we should have our all of our themes and everything. Okay, we don't have all of our themes yet. Let's look at our plugins. Oh, I see. See, this is a okay. We'll get rid of Hello Dolly. We'll delete that one. We have to unpack them. So, okay, we'll delete that one. And then we're going to go back to our cPanel. And let's see. We're going to go to, okay, we're going to refresh this. This is our Natural Healthcare Products file menu. And we should see some boxes appear. Okay, there we go. So we're just going to open this real quick and extract it. We'll just leave these for now, that they can be backups if we have an issue. If these plugins don't take on the new one, on the new, then we'll unpack the admin and the includes. But now we should have, when we refresh, we should have a lot of plugins to choose from to build our site with. So you can see as I scroll down here, we've got a lot of different plugins. And the first thing we want to activate is our content. So first thing we want is our policies. Now, there's an WordPress just updated, and the policy WordPress policies didn't have an update for this. So I believe I've got I created an update for it, and so in the update we have to. It's going to already show you these pages, but we want to delete all of these pages, and then we're going to reinstall them here real quick. We'll just go down and delete all these. And then you want to put your email information in here. Let's see, this will be. Oops. You want your company name to be the same as your domain, naturalhealthcareproducts.com. And then your home address, and phone number is optional, but you want your email there. So we got all that. Now we're going to update our options, and then we'll import our files. And now you can see we have our anti-spam policy, disclaimer, email policy, testimonial disclaimer, medical disclaimer. All of our disclaimer pages are intact, and so we should be able to go back and see them on our main page. So now we can go to our next plugin, and the next plugin is our content, which is the WP. Let's see. Oh, unique article wizard. And I think I accidentally deleted it from this file. Okay, well I need to fix that. I will fix that in a minute. One of my primary plugins somehow didn't get in the zip file, so I will reinstall it, and I will be right back. Actually, before I activate any plugins, if I was just going to build a regular website, I would a regular website or blog. I would start activating the plugins that I wanted, and but first, before I activate any even the content plugin, I need to have some categories for people to submit articles to. So I'll need to go to posts and categories and put in some keywords for people to target with their articles so that other people can write the articles for my website. And then all I have to do is just find products to advertise around the content. Other people will do the work of writing the articles, and all I have to do is have just relevant ads in different places on the site, and then whenever I have time and feel like it, then I can write articles and promote products or whatever. But this is going to be a user-generated site, and since it's going to be a multi-site, before I activate any plugins, I need to activate the multi-site system, and so I need to make sure that the plugins aren't activated yet. So I need to deactivate this real quick, and then I'm going to activate a little piece of code in the site, and then I will be able to have a multi-site system with forums and multiple blogs and everything all under one domain. So I'm going to pause this just for a second while I do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've activated that plugin, and I've added some categories. So we've got our categories that we're going to use for our content. So I've already done that. It took a few minutes. And then we're going to go back to, we'll go to our dashboard here and update our plugins all at once. We can just go to updates and update plugin. Just select all and update. And then there's also a new version of WordPress that just came out, so you can update that as well if you want. Okay, we're good. Okay, now before I activate the plugins, I still have to go into the tools. So I've already activated the network, and so now I just have to follow the instructions to activate the network. So I can either go with subdomains or subdirectories. I'm going to go with subdirectories on this website, and then we just install it. And it just gives me some instructions. I just have to paste this into the files that it says. So I'll do that real quick, and then I'll come back and activate our plugins, and we'll have a website ready to go to add content to. And the content will automatically come because people can submit content now. So I'll be right back. Okay, I just activated the super administration for the super sites. The reason I didn't go into detail on that is because that's part of my advanced training system. So that's not part of this software that I'm promoting right now. If you get the software and you join my monthly program, I'll go over all of this. Or if you get the advanced training, this is part of that, and the software as well for the advanced system. But what this does, the advanced system allows you to have multiple sites. You can let your users create their own sites. You can create like a Blogger or WordPress.com where other people can create their own blogs or their own networks. You can also have multiple forums and other sites, and it's all controlled from one control panel. So it makes it really easy to grow it into something as big as Facebook or something like that, hopefully. So that's what this is. So, but anyway, right now we've got a bunch of themes that were part of the install. So we've got a whole lot of themes, and so I need to activate the themes or enable the themes to be used in all of our sites. So our users can choose any theme, and each site that I build, I can have a different theme if I want. I can have sales page themes. I can have a sales page on one post and a blog on another post or something. So I can make it look different. So I've activated that. We'll go ahead and update our WordPress right now. Since it's a new install, I'd back up my database if it wasn't a brand new install already. So normally I would back up the database before I do this, but we're going to update it automatically. And everything should be up to date now. Now we can go in and start activating our plugins. And the first plugin we want to activate is our UAW, Unique Articles Wizard, so that other people can submit our articles. So, Unique Article Wizard, there we go. We're going to activate that. And we need to go into our settings. We'll get our policy pages up to date too. Again, reactivate that. It should have saved. Should have saved our pages. Let's go look at it. Okay. Nope. We'll have to redo. Our pages aren't showing up at the bottom of the page, so I'm going to have to redo that. What we did earlier. And okay, so we need to activate Askomet so we don't get spammed with a bunch of worthless comments. And let's see, let's upgrade that one. Askomet has more updates. They update that almost every other day. Okay, and then we've got All-in-One Webmaster. We've got all different kinds of plugins for search engine optimization, and we've got our contact form. We can just we can have a contact page within a minute. Let's see, we just activate that, and then we just copy and paste some code into a page. We'll go ahead and do that right now. Create our contact page. All we have to do is copy this, and then we go create a page. And we just call it. See, these are all of our policy pages. They just haven't shown. They just aren't showing up at the bottom of the page yet. So let's go to add new. We're going to call this Contact Us. Then we're just going to paste that piece of code right there and then publish it. Okay, now we have a contact page right here. And then we got our contact form right there. So one thing we want to have, we want to have our login and out meta thing here. So this is just like the other website that with just 4 articles on the page, I had literally 1,000 people sign up just to get more information with just four articles on one page. I got almost 1,000 signups in like 3 days, 2.5 days. Um, on this website. That's before I even put any ads or anything on it. So it's that that join and register, and you want to name it log in or register free. So I haven't done that yet, but I'm getting ready to. Okay, so now we just need to go back and activate our content so that we can have other people provide us content. And let's see. Okay, let's go back to our plugins. Now we aren't going to, you don't want to just go down the row and activate every plugin. In fact, I'm going to have to delete some of these plugins because if you're just doing a regular basic site, some of these are very helpful. But some of these plugins will crash a super admin site. So some of these plugins are not compatible with a network. This is one, broken link checker. That it's no good. It'll crash our site. So I'm going to delete that real fast. There's several plugins that will literally, if you activate them on the new version of WordPress, they have a major conflict with the network. If you have the network activated, so if you want to have a network of websites all from one control panel, you need my course so that you don't crash your site. I've crashed about 20 sites already, and so I know what to do and what not to do. And so if you don't want to have to go through the trial and error that I did, you want to get my course, and I'm practically giving it away. In fact, I'll just I'm gonna go ahead and activate my unique article wizard just so you can see it. We just need to set it up real quick, and then I'm just going to pause this, and then I'm going to come back when I got a couple of articles, and then I'm going to show you how you can get this software package and the training to use it. So what I need to do, I need to join the wizard right now. So I'm already a member, so all I need to do is put in my username right here, and then you can see here's all of the categories that I added just a little bit ago. So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to click all of them. So I'm going to so now that the more keywords that you have for categories, the faster you're going to get filled up with content, because there's plenty of authors that are going to be writing articles for different topics, and so I've covered just about everything I could think of. So I'm just going to put my username in here, and then I just need to click this box and then click update once I have my information filled out, and then I'll be getting I can start getting content almost immediately, usually within a couple hours. I can start getting content depending on how much. If you only have 2 or 3 words here, it might take you a day or two to have somebody submit a content that pertains to that particular topic. So the more topics you have, the faster you're going to get content. So I'm going to pause it right now and come back when I have some content. Okay, now I've got a few articles in here, and we're just going to edit 1 or 2, and so we'll have some content for our website. So we need we need an image in here. So I'm going to just go and we need to add an image. Let me just I'll just see if I have some image that has something to do with stretching. I think I do. Let's go. Let's go to our, well, we're going to go to well, this will work. Our healthy body. We'll just do healthy body. Open. Now we want to, because this is natural health, we want to title it natural healthy body. So you want your images to be related to your topics. So even it doesn't matter if you want to put a picture of a clown in a post. If it's a business article, it's your clown is called a business clown. If if your article's about financing, it's a clown juggling financing or finances or something. It has to do. You need to name it something that has to do with your article or your website. So alternate text is natural health and exercise. And we'll just copy that into the description as well, just to make it quick. And then we want it to be on the left on this one, so we'll just insert it in. And there we go. We've got a guide to stretching activity, and then we're just going to publish it. And let's see what our website looks like. There we go. Now we have an article with a image, and all we need to do is just add a few more and then make sure that our metadata is obvious. We can get rid of most of this stuff, so I'll probably put like a AdSense ad here, and so I can go to Google and sign up for AdSense if I'm not a member, but I am. So I can go and get some AdSense ads and put them here, but I want to leave the metadata. But we can activate some of our plugins, which will give us some membership sign-in widgets or something. So we can go back and start activating some of our plugins for a membership site, and because we want multiple levels of memberships, and so there is some really good multi-level membership software. And one of those is the S2 members. Let's see. S2 member. We'll go ahead and activate that one. And S2 member also works with the network. So it will do, but we have to configure it. And so it takes a few minutes to configure the S2 member. It's the most complicated one. There's WP member and WP members, and you can just visit the plugin site to read about each of these plugins. Some of these are available through WordPress directory, and some aren't. But you've got a whole wide selection of the best SEO software for WordPress, plus a lot of other tools, and so it's all just in one plugin, and so it only takes a couple minutes to set this up, and you're in business. And then all we need to do is find some products that are related to this to promote within our site, and we can also promote for other people to build on our site. Since we have a super site, we can let other people build their own. Now there's a couple other softwares I'm not going to go into, but it can actually build you a site like a social networking site like LinkedIn. There's a plugin that's similar to LinkedIn site, and it will allow you to basically have a whole social network, kind of like Facebook or MySpace, and also a forum integrated right from your main page. And even your members can integrate that into their sites too, that are building. You know, if you let your members build sites on your domain, they will also have the networking and forum capability. And the more content you have on your website, the more traffic you're going to get, because the more pages you're going to have indexed in the search engines. Now that we've got a little bit of content, Now we need to generate some traffic. So what I'm going to do um, is activate one of the traffic plugins, and then we want to visit one site that will literally drive hundreds, if not thousands, of visitors to our website. And it only takes a few minutes. But I'm not going to reveal that secret here. You need to go and you need to get this system and install it in your own business, because you can start your own business for under 10 bucks. You can get a domain for if you search Google for GoDaddy coupon codes, you can find discounts for GoDaddy for domains. So you can get a .com domain for like $7.95. And with HostGator, if you use the coupon code GatorFriend, GatorFriend, you can get your first month hosting for a penny. So for 8 bucks, you can have a hosting account and a domain, and then you can come and install this stuff, and you can install this in about 10 minutes. And you just download it and install it on your WordPress, and then you can have a site up and running in within a couple hours. And so it's really easy, and there's videos here. This is the download page. This is the actual download page. It gives you it gives you all the tools that you need. It gives you the instructions to install it. It's got a README first. Then you've got your WordPress training modules, and then you've got backlinking tools, and also traffic generation tools and some other stuff, custom backgrounds, subliminal backgrounds, headers, and different things that you can use. And there's going to be more stuff added. This is the instant downloads, and then you'll be made a member of our forum, our VIP forum, and also our premium content site. And I am literally giving this away. The software I'm giving away, and the training, you can't beat the price. It's only $47 today to get in, and then it's only $17 a month. And you can cancel any time. It's 100% guaranteed. If you're not just completely thrilled with everything that you get, just send a note through the contact me through the contact us, and I'll refund every penny within 60 days. If you aren't thrilled with everything that you get and with the training that you get. So sign up, click the link below, and then you get instant access to this page, and you'll be able to download your software and install a site within minutes, and you'll be up and running in a business of your own in no time. And the ongoing training is going to show you how to monetize that and how to generate a lot of traffic. So you can copy me and do exactly like I did and get hundreds of visitors and hundreds of sign-ups within the next few days. And if you don't do like I did, and I was working on 12 different sites at the time, so I didn't focus on getting ads on the sites that I showed you. So but if you're just focused on one site, you can have this set up in a couple hours with ads, with making money, and it is very, very easy. And even if you're a beginner, the WordPress training modules are designed with the newbies in mind. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned veteran, these tools can benefit you, and it's only 47 bucks. You can't beat that. So I will see you on the next video inside the members area.